Good morning, everybody. Time for some breakfast, baby. I'm gonna make some French toast in my Power XL air fryer, along with some hash browns. I'm gonna put them in first while I'm mixing up my mixture. Johnsonville sausages. We have 3 layers of breakfast going here, baby. I'm gonna spray my racks down. I like the rack sprayed down. Make sure they don't stick a little bit. Top goes the hash browns. Start them first. Spray it down, spray it down. Oh, it's you! You thought I was Evis. Evis to Pevis. See, these are a little bit frozen. That's why I'm going to start these first. And they're going to take longer than the French toast, that's for sure. Top rack. Make sure it's straight. Press the French fry button. And that's going to go for how long? 18. Well, when we're ready to put the French toast in, I'm going to set it for 10. Okay? We want them extra crispy. The sausage is already cooked. I could put them in the same time as the bread. Time to eat! Mmm. Ooh, hoo, hoo. 4 hunks of white bread. 1 egg. Come right here. See? A little bit of milk, a little splash of vanilla. I like it like that. Whoop! And some bread and nutmeg, just for fun. So you could add cinnamon, whatever else you like to this. If you're making more, use 2 eggs. I'm add a little bit more milk. You know how to do this, mama. Fast, complete 3-course breakfast in the Power XL air fryer. Let me get out the bottom rack. We're going to put these on the bottom rack. First, all right, let me spray this middle rack and put the sausages on there. How many we want? That's enough for now. Put them in the middle. Make sure it's straight. Yes. Bottom rack. Spray. Don't make a big mess, but you can if you want. Get your kitchen. Remember how to make French toast? Like this. One. 2. 3. And 4. Yeah, that was a good amount. Okay. That's a little dry. Get a little bit there, right there, a little bit right there. Could have put more in there. Is that rack hot? Okay. Going in. Let me stop this right now. Of course, when you stop it, it goes to a cool down mode for 20 seconds. This is going on the bottom. I hear sizzling in there already. See them on the bottom? Ah, it looks nice. Can you see everything in there? Ooh, it's a whole breakfast. Now I'm going to press French fries, and we want to go for 10 minutes. And at 5 minutes, I'm going to turn the French toast over. Okay. It's going to be time to eat. It's always time to eat. Be right back. Alright, we're at the 5-minute mark. Let's see how that French toast looks. Plus, I might want to turn over my hash browns and see how they look too. Didn't stick, that's good. Smells like French toast. Ooh. A little crunchy. It's not brown yet. Something like that. Back on the bottom. Oh! Oh, look what happened to yours. That happens. Look, because I'm so excited. Oh, they smell so good. They smell real good. Yeah, they're going to be done. Sausages, yep. You warned me about that. Turn back on. We lost one, but we have more that we can make. Take another 5 minutes, all right? Well, I see I have 3 minutes left. And the bottom doesn't look like it's getting brown like I like. But we followed the instructions in the book that said put the French toast on the bottom rack. I'm going to put it on the top rack right now, okay? Because the frozen hash browns are doing real good up there. They might even be done. See? Sizzle and everything. And the sausage, I'm sure, is done. Put these on top. And then that's going to crisp them up real quick. Should I keep these on the bottom? Sure are nice. Oh, look at them. Don't lose another one. Yeah. So, you learned from me doing it. Put your French toast on the top. But the book said the bottom. So I might go a couple minutes there and flip them over again. Right on top, close to the heating element. Okay. We're still on the original 10 minutes, remember. I think at this point I'm going to take out my sausage and my hash browns and put them on my breakfast platter. I hear you. I know. Oh, they smell so good. Look at that. Let's see how we did on the top rack. Yes, that's what we want. Let me look underneath there quick. All right, let me go 2 more minutes on that side. What do you think? Yes. Careful now. It's starting to get brown underneath too. Don't burn yourself here. Some hot stuff. Nice and crunchy. These are going to be so good. Top rack. remember the instructions said bottom rack. Let me go French fries again for, say, 3 minutes. Okay? Oh, look at this nice platter. Ooh, can't wait. See? Hang on now. Like my breakfast, baby. I stopped it at 1 minute because I do believe it's perfect. Oh, yeah. I'm done. Whoa, come over here. Let me sit down and take a bite. Oh boy, what are you gonna have for breakfast? You know what you do now? Oh, there. Here. Feel like those French toast sticks from Burger King. Woo! Just make it look nice for you. So if we were going to do it again, we'd put the French toast on the top and turn it over in about 4 minutes, maybe, depending on how it looks. Don't forget the butter, Mama. You know I love my butter, Mama. Oh, Mama. Butter, some homemade maple syrup from the store. That's my breakfast, baby. I know the hash browns are good because I ate the one that fell on the floor. Listen to this crunch. Perfect. So good. What a breakfast. He approves. Thank you, Mama. So good. Try that in your air fryer. Use the top shelf. So the original 10 minutes, I added what, another 5, and I stopped it at 1, so 14 minutes. 3-course breakfast. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Talk to you soon. Try that in your air fryer. Whatever air fryer you have. Okay? See ya. Bye.